Frustrated by the OpenVR API DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. While we cover the technical fix for OpenVR API, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This DLL file is the core library for the OpenVR SDK developed by Valve. It allows games and applications to communicate with various virtual reality headsets and controllers, serving as the foundation for the SteamVR platform. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The OpenVR API DLL is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX files and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the OpenVR API file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install the OpenVR API DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining the OpenVR API. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve the OpenVR API dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.